morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have another video review for the i7 Pro smartwatch, and as we promised, we are going to show you a short video demo for the preloaded games in the i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so accessing the game is very easy. Just swipe from top to bottom. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, go back first on the watch face. Okay, in the home screen, and that's it. Swipe from top to down, and you will see here at least 4 games for the smartwatch. We have a 2048 here. I think this is car racing. We have a Flappy Bird here, and I don't know this one. Seems like an airplane. And okay, I don't know the gameplay, so let's check. Okay, so we have at least 4 here. So tap on the 2048, and we have here a puzzle. Okay, so if you're familiar with this one, okay, so 2048. Okay, we have here restart. I think go back. Okay, so that's it. So far it works. Okay, I'm not really familiar with the game here. Okay, I will just show you that it is so far working. Okay, going back. Okay, tap again, swipe, and let's have this car racing. Let's see if we can navigate this. So how to play this? Tap. Okay, I just hold the car here steady and drag. Okay, so if you're bored and you've got nothing to do, you can use your smartwatch to play. Okay, this is very simple game. Okay, so endless. I think it is just an endless racing game. Seems like we do have some points here in level. We are on the level 3. Okay, we have 17 points here. Okay, so there are some bonus points, I think. And as the game progresses, seems like the car is traveling much faster. Okay, so we are on the level 3 right now. So far seems like it's okay, not that impressive, but it's a good addition to your wearable. Okay, let's crush this thing. Top score 38, score 38. Okay, so let's go back, and we have another one. I think this is the Flappy Bird. Okay, Flappy Bird clone. Let's tap on it. Let's check. So we have a Flappy Bird here. Oh, it's okay. So all you have to do is just tap to make it fly in there. Flap its wings. Okay. Set. Oh, okay. So let's see if we can play it while wearing this wearable. Okay. Is it really possible to play this game? Let's check. Okay, so let's try. Refresh. Okay. See. Yes, you can play this game. It's a bit fun. Okay, especially if you're waiting for someone and you got bored and you are in a idle mode and got nothing to do. you can play on your i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, let's have another one, the last one. And okay, oh, it's a shooting game. Okay, it's not a flying game as I expected, but a shooting game. Okay, so it's interstellar fight of okay, interstellar war. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is much better compared to the 2048 or the car racing. Okay, so let's get that one. Seems like this is the points. Okay, so we have a new gun. Okay, oops. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, shoot it. Okay, again, there's no sound for the games. Okay, I don't know, but I don't see any settings for the sounds. But still, this is fun to play. It's not that smooth. Okay, there's a bit of lag in the gameplay, but still, it's okay. This is just a bonus feature for your i7 Pro wearable. Okay, we have a new gun again. Okay, oops, power up. Okay, let's okay, level up. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so far so good with the games. It is a simple game. Okay, but still it's okay. It's a boredom killer, especially if you got nothing to do. And although you have your phone and you don't want to use your phone for the meantime, this one will do. Okay, these games can help you get rid of your boredom. Okay, it's a good addition to your i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so that's it. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, this is your i7 Pro smartwatch. Bye.